KTM 890 cam problems. I don't know. I've seen photos and stuff of it. I've had 3 890s. I've never experienced a problem. I tend to change my oil about every 2,000 miles. That's what I usually set up on the trip odometer. But I was going to talk about this oil change. So I first discovered Pro Lube. Now you put 1 ounce per quart of oil, and I put this in my Humvee, and I could definitely tell the difference. I should have did a video on that on the idle, because as soon as I put that stuff in, it actually changed the noise of how the motor ran. You could tell it was running smoother. So I put it in my big truck with the Caterpillar motor, and then I thought I would try it on the 890. I just got back from the NorCal BDR with the 4-time King of the Hammers winner, Randy Slauson. We had an amazing time, but I had about 1,700 hard miles on this bike, so I decided to change the oil, and then I thought I would talk about what I use and why. So I put 3 ounces of Pro Lube in. I buy on Amazon. I do have an Amazon store, and the link will be in the description for all of this. But I buy the Tusk oil change kit. So it's the Motor X full synthetic oil. Filter, has some gloves if you don't want to get your hands dirty. This actually does come in handy, and it comes with the 3 O-rings. Just go ahead and change it out. When I drained the oil out of it, it came really clear. I wasn't going to do a video on this, but I was so impressed that the screens came out super clean, no flakes or anything on them. The bike's got about 3,000 miles on it now, and I'm going to put 3 ounces of Pro Lube in it, this oil change kit, plus this time I finally bought a pair of snap ring pliers that pulls this filter out, and those will be in the description also. It's a set of 4. I happen to use these ones that's got a bend on it, super easy to put in there and pull out. You can see that I had another pair here. I think I've had this pair since, I don't know, 1968. I think these were my dad's. But they just didn't work. And sometimes I'd use a pick. I'm always messing with that thing. So those made that super easy. Oil changes, nice and easy on this bike. But if you have any questions or comments, this will be the second oil change with Pro Lube. Didn't affect the clutch play or any of that friction on it. I didn't really notice the bike shifting any different or anything running smoother like I did on the Humvee. Humvee was very notable, but if it worked in that, I'm sure it's working in this, and maybe it's a great way to hedge the bet about the cam issues, if there is cam issues. I don't know. But anyway, questions, comments, hit me up down below. That's going to be it for now. I'm Tim Roble, Adventure Athlete, out.